Well, I wasn't expecting to deal with you today. Well, hello everyone. Looks like spring's here. I took the day off of work today to get some things done around the yard, and didn't realize that I've got a crabapple tree that has to be repotted today. So I'm gonna go get all the tools out of the shop and then see if we can't get this crabapple taken care of. My intention was to repot this crabapple this spring. I didn't realize it was so far along already. Some of the main reasons I was going to repot it this year is because the plastic pot that it was in had cracked. I think we had one of those freak windstorms last fall and it blew it off the bench, so I'm sure that's why that cracked. And then it could probably use a little more soil around it. So I'm going to get it out, I'm going to rake out the roots, clean it up, and then I have selected another pot for it to go in. Might not be the right pot, but it's going to work for this tree for today. I was watering this morning when I realized what was going on here. So that's why it's so wet. It looks like it's got a good root system. We'll comb it out, see what we have. So this is the only tree that I'm seeing activity on right now, but the soil on my other trees was dry, so I gave everything a good watering. It's about 65 degrees today. We had a few days of good weather coming up, but we also have some nighttime temperatures that are going to get down to about 19. So when I do this work, I'm going to have to protect this tree for the next several weeks. I hope you guys are as excited as I am to get this bonsai season underway. Here is the crabapple in its new pot. I have not picked a front for the tree. Kind of got a nice wide base right there, but the branches up here don't quite make a lot of sense yet. But I'm gonna just grow it out for a few more years and make those decisions as we go. I really like the root system now. I hope it showed up in the video. Yeah, so one of the big lessons I learned today is start checking your trees a little earlier than I thought. I wasn't fully ready. I didn't have all my tools out yet. I improvised a little bit, and at times I felt like I probably could have made a blooper reel out of this instead. So I'm going to edit all of that out and hopefully just have a nice short few minute video. All right, everybody, happy bonsai season.